It'd be cool as heck if I had sound, wouldn't it?
It would. Well, I'm going to have to put sound on this. All right. John Rambo Moss. Holy cow. Oh my gosh. Wow.
Hey, I don't know what the deal was.
Holy cow.
I'll tell you right now, it makes a big difference when it's together.
Yes, I agree. Yeah, it blew it up.
Oh yeah, it took it.
Wow. There's the drone, getting drone footage. That launched it across the trail. Now that's some damage right there, John. Holy cow, look at that. That did it right there. Nathan and John. That is crazy. Holy cow. Boy, that split that sucker all the way back. Wow. That is some massive damage. Holy cow. Look at that. It absolutely, it launched that all the way across there. Wow.